welcome back to Garden Time with Kate and Len. It's a tricky Thursday. Look, I asked Len what he wanted to do on this tricky Thursday, and he said he wanted to use some scissors to do some cutting. So we're going to go on a little adventure around the garden looking for things that we can cut. So things like plants which are already dead, or weeds, or grass. And it can be really tricky to use some scissors, so make sure there's always a grown-up with you to help you out with your cutting. Let's get going!
Hey, you like doing some cutting?
I love cutting, that's right. I really love cutting, and I love the way that you're using scissors to cut the grass.
You like to try it? Can
Oof.
you cut it?
Cut that leaf as well. It's very good cutting.
No, it's lettuce.
It's lettuce.
Yeah. What is it then?
I think it's a weed. Over here, look, over here.
Woo! Poor thing. It's me, cut. I gotta cut it back.
You should cut that one because it's already dead. That's it.
Can I put it back together? Can I put it back together?
It's a bit tricky because once we cut it, it means that it can't be put back together so it's perfect again.
Cut. Cut these. Cut these things.
Yep, those were flowers, but they're dead now. They've died.
So this one is dead.
Yep, that one's dead.
Can I cut these?
Yeah, you can cut that because that's dead already.
Crack! Crack! Snap! Snap! These?
Those are just weeds. That's right.
Those are good weeds to cut.
Good weeds to cut. Exactly. Those are weeds.
Can I cut these?
Yeah, those are old dandelions, those ones, but they've got no bits on them anymore.
Can I cut these?
Those ones are still alive. Those ones are flowers.
Look here.
There's so many there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
To cut.
7, 8, 9, 10.
11.
11,
12.
12,
13.
13,
19.
14,
15.
15,
14.
15.
These ones are dead.
Yep, those ones are dead. Very precise cutting. I love the way you're being so careful. Wow, great cutting, Len! And you, friends, did you have a nice time doing some cutting? It can be really tricky to use scissors to cut something. So well done for trying really hard to do some cutting on this tricky Thursday. See you tomorrow for a funny Friday.